Finally sharing my long-awaited underarm skincare routine. I use this to stay clean, fresh, and stink-free. Over time, my underarms have lightened, but I will remind you that dark underarms are absolutely normal, especially with brown skin tones. Every week, I use a charcoal mask on my underarms and leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing. This is the Beauty Counter one, and it works fabulously. You don't have to keep your arms up the whole time, but it does provide a very good workout. Every day after I get out of the shower, I like to use a toner on my underarms before I put on deodorant. This is the Good Molecules Glycolic Acid Exfoliating Toner. On top of exfoliating my skin, it also helps just take off all this gunk that you wouldn't believe is there. And trust me, you don't even want to see it. If you're choosing to remove the hair under your arms, yes, it is a choice. Put that razor down. Shaving definitely wasn't my best friend, and I have been waxing forever. You can get a Sally Hansen wax kit at Target for like $10 and do it at home. And in between, I actually pluck. Don't knock it till you try it. The most important step is to exfoliate. I lightly exfoliate my underarms using this Soft Services soap bar in the shower every single day. You can also just use any exfoliating face scrub like this Tula one, works perfectly. I highly recommend this Native Sensitive Skin baking soda free, aluminum free deodorant, which I wear in the warmer months. In the winter months, I actually go deo free because of this skincare routine. So let me know if you try it.